How do you find the best mortgage rates? I'll be going over that topic on this episode, so stay tuned. Welcome back. My name is Dale Corpus. I'm a realtor in the Tri-Valley area in the East Bay of the San Francisco Bay Area, and I post videos every Friday about all things real estate. So how does one find the very best mortgage rate? So yesterday I saw something that was really funny. So in a mortgage forum I'm in, somebody shared a quote that I really, rang true for me. That as a consumer, if you shop hard enough for the lowest rate, some people I'm gonna talk to 7 different people. The harder you shop, the more likely you are to find the biggest liar. And I hate to say that, but it's really the truth. If you're just out there saying, what's your very lowest interest rate? You are going to ultimately find somebody that gives you a promise that they can't deliver on. And unfortunately that happens, people are desperate for the business, or they're just unethical in how they do things. But they offer you the 5% on a 30-year fix, and you come to find out later that it's 2 points, or it doesn't exist, or they make up some phony story about, we repulled your credit and we didn't lock it, and so what happened was da-da-da-da. And we've really seen that song and dance. And I've heard it from enough people who've gone through it where I know it happens. So the better advice, in my opinion, is to get a few quotes from people you like and trust and talk to a lender so you can really understand about how it works. Because what happens is you're shopping for a refinance and all you're thinking is rate. I want the lowest rate. You want to be able to brag to your friends at the office or on your Zoom call. You want to find a lender that promises you an amazing rate. I know that's awesome that you get your initial disclosure, and 2 or 3 weeks later in the process, boom, all of a sudden you notice $12,000 in points. And what the heck is that? Then you start to have the conversation around, to get that stellar rate, it costs you 3 points, only $12,000. If you talk to somebody who you like and trust is really going to analyze it, try to get you the very best deal. It's not just about interest rate, because that cost of that lower interest rate, if it saves you $47 compared to a rate that's 0.25% higher or 3/8 higher, it might take you 14 years to break even on that cost. Now you get to brag about that rate, but from a math perspective and from a finance perspective, it's a horrible deal. So you're going to look for a rate that might be 0 points, might be half a point, and in some cases, paying a point is okay, and there's no hard answer whether or not, you pay points, you don't pay points, one's liberal, one's great. No, everybody's different. And somebody says, listen, this is my first house. I'm leaving this house, my feet first, I'm dying in this house. I know I'm gonna be here. Okay. It might make sense to pay a point or even 1.5 points to get you a really low interest rate. You're retired, you're on a fixed income, we're trying to get your payment down to, the lowest we can, but there are the type of conversations that need to be had, should be had, and then you as a consumer can say, can I maybe look at a couple different options? Can I look at 5% and 5.125% to see which one makes sense? And if I may be moving in 4 or 5 years, should I even take a rate that's higher? And it comes with some lender credit, it's lower than my rate now, but it's higher than another rate, but I can get, I'm thinking I'm moving in 4 years, so I want to save money during those 4 years, but I want to pay a lot right now and add that to my principal because I know I'm moving. So that's the thing. There's so many different circumstances where low rate hunting and shopping is not what you want to do. You want to shop for the best mortgage that fits you, your circumstances, okay? If you're in the market for a mortgage and need a referral to a reputable mortgage lender or 2, please do not hesitate and reach out to me, and I'll be happy to provide you with trusted referrals versus you arbitrarily finding someone just advertising some smoking rate, adding points and fees, and trying to capture the business that way, being sneaky, I would be welcome to help you. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You may also want to check out my past video on my 5 tips on how to hire a realtor in the San Francisco Bay Area. The link to that video is on the top corner of the screen. Again, I'm Dale Corpus from eXp Realty in San Ramon, California, and I help buyers and sellers throughout the Bay Area and Tri-Valley. And I'll see you on my next video.